everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block someone in Racing Kingdom. If you want to block someone in Racing Kingdom, first of all, open up the Racing Kingdom application on your mobile device. Log into your account if you're not already, and in the first lobby screen, click on the two human icon at the top right corner. This will bring up your friends list. If you want to block someone from the friend list, you can open up your friends tab and select the contact. If you're trying to block someone from the request tab, you can go to request. If you want to block someone that is not friend to you yet in the game, you can tap on add and enter the friend's ID or name in the text box to find them. From the search results, look for their name and tap on their profile picture and click on the little three dots at the top. And where you see block user, simply tap on it. In the pop-up, click on block, and after you block the contact, you won't be able to send messages to them or make a friend request to them or each other anymore. After you confirm the block, they will then be added to the block list, and there you have it. That is how you can easily block a contact on Racing Kingdom using your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.